Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimo from AppGuide, and in today's guide video I will show you how you can download Instagram videos on your Android without any third-party app. But before we get started, if you are new to our channel, make sure to leave a like, hit that subscribe button, and without any further ado, let us get started with today's video. First of all, make sure you have updated the Instagram app to the latest version. You could head over to your app store, in the search box type in Instagram and check if there is an update available. If there is an update available, go ahead and simply tap on it in order to update the Instagram app to the latest version. Once you've updated Instagram, I'm going to open it, and the next thing you want to make sure is that you're basically logged into your account. And after you're logged in, you can see this is how the interface is going to look like. You have a bunch of different recommended shows and videos, for example. And over here, let's say that this is the particular video which I want to download, which is from the official Instagram page itself. What I will have to do is, in order to download this video on my Android phone, at the bottom right, you can see this little download like icon just next to this bookmark icon, as you could see over here. All you have to do is simply tap on this down arrow icon. As you tap on the down arrow icon, you can see it says me to select this media file and download it, or to download all the media files which is on this particular post. If you want to download all, you can tap on all, but I will simply select download this media file. Now it will take some time to actually download it. Now let me just go ahead and show you whether I have downloaded it or not. I'll open my gallery and let me just show you that particular video. And as you can see, we have successfully downloaded that video onto our Android phone without using any app and from the Instagram app itself. Now let me also try to download other videos. Let's say, for example, this one. All I have to do is simply tap on the download icon at the bottom right, and then tap on download this media file. As soon as I do that, you can see we will have successfully downloaded another video as well onto our Android phone. And this is how you could very easily download Instagram videos on your Android without the use of any app or any other websites and so on. We hope the video was really helpful. If it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to this channel. If you have any more questions, simply make sure to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.